two. Take two. I have to be really far away from the camera because the sun is here. Hello everybody, welcome here to another video. This video is a little bit different because I'm sitting down. I'm not vlogging. I'm doing a sit down video. This is going to be a quick little haul from basically the other day when I went out shopping. I went into Penneys, I went into Boots, and I also have some really cool things to show you that my friend got me for my birthday and Christmas, which I know was and is gone way like ages ago, but we only met up now and we did a little catch up. So without further ado, let's get straight into it and not make this video really long. So I'm going to start off with Penneys. This bag has seen better days. It's a little bit disheveled because it's been in my car. But the first few things I picked up are some mugs. This is what they look like. They're basically just these round mugs with like a texture on them, and I really like them. I think they're really cool and different, and I love a good mug. Let me know if this is something that you do as well, but you have to have your favorite mug to drink any drink out of. Like, if you're going to make me a cup of tea or coffee in a mug that I don't like, that's it, it's automatically ruined. Is anybody else like that? You just have to have your favorite mug. But yeah, so I got two of these. Yes, I probably should have got four, but I don't know, I just got two. And they were €4 each, so not too bad. And I really like them. I thought they were really cool. So yeah, that's the first thing. Staying on the household theme, how cool is this mirror? How cool is that? Can you see that it has, you can see yourself in it. Can you see that it's like an irregular shape? Like, you can probably tell from the back a little bit better. But yeah, I just thought it was really cool. So it's black, it has a little stand, it's metal. So yeah, I just thought it was really cool, and something that you'd see from like Anthropology or places like that. It was €8. It was only €8. How crazy is that? So yeah, I just thought it would be really nice to pop it down somewhere on a desk, or even have it as, I don't know, like a decorative mirror on a shelf or something. So yeah, I'm really happy with that because that was a bargain. €8. So good. Next up, I got one of these. I thought it was really cute. They have their spring things in. How cute is this? So it's this spring sign, and it has like different colors on it. I hope you can see with the lighting. The lighting's a bit crap because the sun is just coming in. This was €3, and it's just one of these things that you pop on like your radiator cover, or in the hallway, or in your sitting room on the mantelpiece. But yeah, just thought it was really cute. €3, and it's something that you can keep forever basically, and just take it out when it's like Easter time, springtime. So yeah, I got that. Next up, I got some essentials. One of them being the oval cosmetic pads. I still use these. Yes, I do use my my reusable ones for my cleanser, but for toner, I still use these. I don't know, I've just never used toner with my reusable ones. I probably should, but these oval big ones are the best ones out there, and they are €2. I then picked up some nail buffers. They just look like this. Just those 6-sided nail buffers, nail files. They were $1.50, and yeah, just picked those up whilst I was there. And another random thing, which, well, I guess it's not that random. It's a eyelash curler. I don't want to bring it forward because of the light, but it's just gold Just a standard eyelash curler. It was $1.50. I currently didn't have one. I threw it out because the little attachment was like, it just went bad. I don't think you can buy the attachments by themselves. I should have looked into that. It wasn't expensive or anything, it was just one of those pennies ones. So yeah, got another one. I then picked up some socks, just some white plain socks. 5 pairs for €3. Another essential, hair bobbins. These are for $1.50 and I mainly wanted these for the little ones, the thin ones. They're the best ones. I'm sorry about the light whenever I bring something forward. Yeah, they're my favorite ones. I only use the thick ones for a high ponytail. Other than that, I only use the thin ones. So yeah, got some of these because I was running out. I then picked up some grey leggings. Just plain grey leggings. They're really soft. Oh, I know why. They're the fleecy ones. Yeah, they're the fleece ones. That's okay. I'll be a little bit warmer. They were €6 and I got them in a medium. Oh, I forgot that pennies changed their sizing and now I'm a small now. I was always a medium, but now I'm a small. 10 to 12 is a small apparently. Oh well, oh well, oh well, I'll still wear them. And the last thing I picked up in pennies is a present for my friend's little baby. And look, how cute is this? So it's a little jumper with lions on it. She's obsessed with lions, so I thought it would be cute. So it's this jumper. It has little buttons on the back and it also comes with these leggings. How cute are they? They're like ribbed. But yeah, that was €8. That's really good, isn't it? For a top and bottoms. And I got it in 6 to 9 months because the little man is growing rapidly, way faster than I would like him to, but what can you do? I then picked up some random bits in boots. Literally just some essentials. Some period essentials. Like these. Which is boring. I'm not going to show you that. And I also got a present, which I can't show you. Because the person's watching. But the last 2 random bits that I picked up is the Shockwaves volumizes conditions and helps defend from styling heat. It's a mousse. I don't know how to pronounce this brand, but it's this hair mousse. I've seen Aisling Chan, I believe, post about this on Instagram, and she uses this to do her low, like slick back bun, like slick back bun. And I just thought I'd give it a go and see if it helps and if I look just as good as her. But yeah, I just picked this up. I've never used mousse in my life, so I don't know how that works. What do you do? So it should be interesting. But yeah, just pick that up. I then had a look at some cream blushes because I've been on the lookout for one for ages. I really wanted to pick up the Charlotte Tilbury wand one, but I didn't. It was out of stock and then I was too impatient, so I just didn't. And there was a good few that I had a look at, like the Amy Connolly one, I believe. That was really pretty, but of course the shade that I wanted wasn't in stock. Let's not talk about it. But then I came across a Stila counter in Boots. I've only ever had one eyeshadow from them, so I'm not really, you know, a Stila pro here. But I got this, whoa, I dropped it. I got this blush. It's the Stila Convertible Color Dual Lip and Cheek Cream. And it's in the shade Peony. And it was very pretty. Now, it was like €22 or something. We won't talk about it. This is what it looks like. Just this cute packaging. Peony. And, if I can get it opened. Love it. This is the shade. It's like a peachy brownie. It's gorgeous. And it's a cream blush. I might swatch it for you. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what it looks like. And that's obviously like a hard swatch, but you just, you know, blend it in, and yeah, I think it's going to be really cute. And I'm really excited to start using cream blush because, as I said, I've been wanting to get one for such a long time, so that was a little treat from me to me. But yeah, other than that, that's about it. I picked one of these up. I know they're kind of like a kid snack, but do you know the roll up? I've never tried these. I really want to try it on camera. Do you know those fruit, what's it called? Oh, that's cool. Do you know what are they called? The little rolly things, and they come on like this paper. What are they called? I don't know, but I'm thinking that this is sort of like it. Maybe not. Maybe not. Comes with a card. Dolphin. Dolphins use sea sponges to protect their snouts when looking for fish under a rocky ocean floor. Haha, funny. Okay, anyways. Oh wow, there's two! Oh no, this is like a one of those bars. Oh, this is nice. It's not exactly like the rolly thing that I was talking about. I still don't know what they're called. They come in like a paper, and it's like a whole story when you eat the thing off it. These are obviously a healthier version of that. Oh no, I was supposed to show you what I got from our friend. Hang on. I'm relaxing here eating. And I still haven't finished the video. This is a birthday haul. First thing I got are these socks. How cute are they? She knows that I love anything fluffy, and these are going to be on my feet as soon as I shower. I then got one of these coasters, which are super handy because I do love a coaster, I do love a mug, so perfect. I'll bring that to work with me. I then got one of these candles, and it's the frankincense and myrrh. This is what it looks like. How cool is that? This is my favorite scent, so I cannot wait to burn that. I then got a perfume from Zara. This is what it looks like. I haven't smelt it yet because these things have been in my car all this time. Energetically New York. Ooh. Oh, I like it. I really like that. Oh my god. It's so fresh. I'm really bad at describing scents, so I'm not even going to bother. But it smells really, really fresh. So I'm very excited about that. Another thing I got is this, and it's the Art of Mixology. And it's a classic cocktails and curious concoctions. And it's a little book of cocktails. She knows that I love a cocktail, and now I can make them myself. So if you want a cocktail, come on up, because I'm making them. And the last thing I got is super cool, because I wanted one of these so bad. It's one of those bath boards. How cool! I'm so excited. I really need to go have a bath now. I was going to get one of these, but then, I don't know, I just didn't end up getting one, and now I have one, and I'm so excited. So I can't wait to use all of this. So I'm going to go and tidy everything up because I've made a mess. And I don't like mess. So I'm going to tidy everything up, have dinner, chill for the rest of the day, and then edit this video for you. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know what your favorite thing was that I picked up. Give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and subscribe if you haven't already because I would love to have you here. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video.